Stack and its implementation. What is a stack? A stack is nothing but an arrangement in which certain rules are to be followed, like input or entry will take place only at the top, and even the exit will take place only from the top, as you can see in this picture. Wonderful picture to understand how the plates are to be taken. If you have a new plate coming in, it will come on the top, and if you have someone who wants a plate, it will be given from the top. It is called the stack of plates. And here is a stack of cup, two stacks of cup, in which a new cup will get entered, or a new fresh entry will take place on the top, and the exit will also, or the picking up will also take place from the top. This picture is interesting. Coming up is another. Yes, this one is another very familiar picture that we see in our own study room. A stack of books. We keep the book on the top, another book on the top, another book on the top. And then we start taking from the top and the next one from the top. And by chance, if someone wants to take a book from somewhere in the middle by breaking the rule of the stack, what will happen? You pull this book out and the stack is going to get toppled all on the ground. That means you have broken the rule of a stack. You are not supposed to take out anything from anywhere else but from the top. Now let us look into the program example of how to implement using array. Here is a stack with n is equal to 10. What does that mean? That means in this there are 10 cells in which elements can be placed in. How can we fill the elements? There are few ways in which it can be. Here there is a variable taken which is called top, or it is a counter position indicating the position of entry. That means the variable top will tell us where the input has to be done. If I start the value of top with -1, in that case, naturally -1 is not a valid cell number. Therefore, the entry will take place by first changing the value of top. That means at top, no element can be entered. Okay. So, the entry has to be done with pre-increment rule. That means first increase the variable top and then fill the cell. In this way, if I break it up, it will show increase top and then fill. It will then tell you, okay, now one element is there because top is at a valid cell number. If one more entry has to be done, it will be like first increase top and then fill it. So 62 came in after top was made 1. In this way, once again increase top and then fill in, increase top and then fill in. At this point, I can see in the third table, top is at 7 and the element has been entered. Now if I want to enter one more element, I will first increase top and then I will enter. And then one more element, that means I will increase top and then I will enter. In this way, when top will reach 9, there will be full house for the stack. The other operation that can take place in a stack is pop. That means you can take one element out and then reduce the variable top's value. So if you want to take out 30, that means that will be pop operation and top will come to 8 in that after that pop operation. Okay, so this one says how -1 is going to make the stack look like, the -1 as starting value of top. Coming up is another way of presenting a stack. Yes, just the way top could start with -1, top can also start with 0. If top starts with 0, then it will follow the rule of post increment. That means first fill it and then change it. So, when top starts with 0, the entry takes place at top and then top increases by 1. Similarly here, top was waiting, entry took place and then top increased. Then entry first and then increase. In this way, after 24, top went to the next place where the entry will take place. Finally, after the stack has been stuffed with all the elements in all the cells, top went up to 10. So in this example, the second case, top is waiting at 10 and then I can declare that the stack is full. Okay, so these are the two approaches. Coming up are approaches of queue.